Hey, it's Brianna with WTI, and if you are looking for a beautiful, soft, minimalist rug that's also washable, you have to check this one out.
I have the 4x6 rug from DEAXLife in gray and white. First of all, this rug is super soft. You can see it's a favorite of my rabbit. And even though I have this in my living room in a high traffic area with a rabbit, it still looks like new because it's very stain resistant and it is also machine washable. It's very easy to wipe up any spills that happen without leaving a stain. I love this minimalist print. It has a nice soothing farmhouse look. However, it's not a solid white, so if it does get a little dirty because you have some texture and some design in there, you won't notice. When I first unpacked this rug, it was folded up into a square and it did have some wrinkles, and I was able to get them out very quickly with a little steamer, or you can just let it sit for 3 days and those wrinkles will relax. This rug is going to be a hit with your kids, visitors, and your pets because it is so soft and plush. The first thing you want to do is just rub your feet on it. It feels so good. You can vacuum it, you can wash it, and it looks so great. I have a feeling you are going to love it too.
But hey, that's just our point of view.